Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to activate a Lebara SIM card. First, you need to open lebara.com in your web browser. Once you're in, scroll down to the bottom and make sure you have selected your relevant region. Now click on Help. Then go to Support. From the New Members section, click on Why isn't my SIM card working? On this page, you'll find some possible solutions to this problem. Firstly, you need to dial 5588 to activate your SIM card. If you have already done it, make sure you have inserted your SIM card correctly. Next, check if your phone is unlocked. If it is not, then unlock it. Lastly, check if your SIM card is expired. You can chat with an advisor for help regarding the problem you're facing. Click on Start Chat and discuss the issue you're facing. They will help you out. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.